gotta get gas and then take this guy to the Guilford Green. To the Guilford Green. Okay. No worries, no worries. Alright. It is called the what? I'm sorry?
It's called Prime in Guilford. I think it's like 2 minutes away.
I believe so. I'm like familiar with the area, but on Whitfield.
Yeah.
I'm fine. Alright, I got it in my ear, so I will bring you there.
Like 2 minutes?
4 minutes, not even.
Well, what is it, just in case I lose you? From here, it's just a right.
I'm gonna make sure. I'm gonna make sure I'll you're not gonna lose me. Yeah. I promise you, man. I'm gonna make sure. No worries. All right. You good, brother? All right. Side quest completed.